Imagine a future where every flaw is identified before leaving the production line. Artificial intelligence detects issues with remarkable precision. It also learns from each instance to improve over time. AI enhances its ability to sense variances and prevent defects. Manufacturers can rely on continuous improvement processes. This leads to safer and more reliable product output. Such advancements set new standards in industrial excellence. As new technologies emerge, businesses can adapt seamlessly. They integrate innovations into existing infrastructures effectively. Investing in AI today promises future gains in production efficiency. Manufacturers experience significant advantages from AI implementation. They also uncover new opportunities for creativity and innovation. AI doesn't just streamline processes, it transforms work environments. Teams can focus on developing new products rather than troubleshooting. Reducing manual inspection burdens frees employees for strategic roles. This shift enhances job satisfaction and boosts morale. Collaboration between humans and machines becomes increasingly vital. Smarter manufacturing solutions push boundaries and redefine industry standards. AI acts as a reliable partner in production processes. The future of manufacturing appears bright and full of promise. AI-driven solutions impact more than just the factory floor. They influence company-wide efficiency and innovation. Production becomes more agile and responsive to market demands. The integration of AI fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Ultimately, AI empowers manufacturers to lead in quality, creativity, and competitiveness. Stakeholders will notice improved product quality and faster delivery times. Satisfied customers lead to stronger brand loyalty. This loyalty translates into increased market share. AI systems collect data that provides invaluable insights for strategic planning. These insights help align product development with consumer preferences. A holistic approach boosts profitability and reinforces a commitment to innovation. Embracing AI is no longer optional in modern manufacturing, it is essential. AI refines quality control and enables proactive equipment maintenance. Predictive AI can forecast potential issues, minimizing production interruptions. For example, a textile manufacturer used AI to monitor machine vibrations. The system predicted a failure, allowing technicians to fix it without stopping production. This foresight resulted in substantial savings and a more reliable manufacturing timeline. The synergy between AI and human expertise fosters an innovative workplace. It strengthens the foundation for future technological advancements. Businesses must prioritize integrating AI into their operations. This integration is essential to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. AI helps create more efficient and defect-free production lines. It empowers companies to innovate continuously. AI enables organizations to adapt to changing market conditions. It supports long-term growth and operational resilience. By embracing AI, manufacturers can unlock new opportunities. The technology encourages creative problem-solving across teams. Companies that adopt AI position themselves for a prosperous future. This future is filled with innovation, efficiency, and advancement. In the next video we will discuss about customer service enhancement. Stay connected with us. Thank you.